here is what we were eating today. Pancakes and
scrambled eggs.
Let me grab my bacon. And then we have some scrambled eggs. Perfect. Yum. And syrup. Let's eat. Oh, and orange juice too. So for the pancakes, this is just like a really quick, fast option. If you're looking, if you haven't seen these out, these Bisquick shake and pours, you literally just pour water in it, shake it up, and then dump it in. And you see Janine here, who is the breakfast queen, is now putting strawberries into these pancakes. Oh, these look so good. And we also have chocolate. And Joe went with the strawberry and chocolate combination. Living life to its fullest. Let's eat. Okay, so I'm here editing the vlog and totally forgot to tell you guys that the girls saw a bear yesterday morning. I was still sleeping. Janine was up and I heard her scream bear and I just said, okay, can I go back to sleep now? But yeah, they had snuck over to our neighbor. The bears had snuck over to our neighbor's area. They had a garbage bag out, right?
Yep.
You're never supposed to leave garbage out, okay? So if you're camping in the Adirondacks or anywhere where there's supposed to be bears, you're not supposed to leave garbage cans out. These people left garbage out. The bear was there. We grabbed a little bit of video footage that I'll show you for the bears that we do get up here in this Adirondack camp resort. And so now I'm going to kind of intro this next, I'm going to intro this next clip or these next clips with our epic crafting. Well, we don't know if it's a fail yet because we have to finish it today, but you'll see what I mean in just a minute. So today we've decided we're doing a little bit of, I don't know, I guess you would say it crafting, or look what Pinterest made us try type of deal. I don't know. We're still trying to figure it out. We're trying to make these like sun catchers / wind chimes out of the pony beads that you get. So we've been spending the morning like separating them and making some designs inside of aluminum foil pie tins. We have our campfire. We started already, so we can get down to coals, and we're going to be doing some test meltings of these pony beads so that we can see how fast they melt, how they look, if they're translucent. We have some clear beads, we have some solid beads, we have some lettering beads. So we're going to do a little bit of, Joanne, why are you stoking up the fire more? Joanne's stoking up the fire more. You don't think it's going to last? Now she's putting the grate on. Let's just check out what's going on over here. I don't want to burn my camera though.
153.
Should we be using this many flames?
That's okay.
Children, do not try this at home without the supervision of an adult. A sober adult. Oh, and by the way, these center ones were supposed to be alphabet beads, and they literally only gave us M's, or they could be considered W's. And there's like, I think I saw 1 K and 1 D in the whole batch. It doesn't look like they're melting yet, though. You're wrecking. This one is on the side. It's on an angle. No. Ugh. So you definitely have to have it flat. Does it look like it's melting?
You know what we should have done?
No, but you're going to tell us.
We should have put them in the back.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda, might have been.
Should have stoked it with charcoal.
I should have done it on that.
Oh, all these should have.
Alright, we'll test this and see how
We're
it goes.
testing this and see how it goes. This is taking painstakingly a long time.
It takes like 5 minutes, it says.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, but look at this. We got the, Jesus, the flames. Do we see any sign of melting? I just don't think we're supposed to have this much flamage. I wish I had a chair. I wish I had one of those little chairs that Jen and Laura had, where I could literally just...
Those were cute.
Very easy to carry.
I know. I think I'm gonna look up. I think I'm gonna look up to get some. I'm gonna say there. You literally could throw them in the backpack. It's gotta go right here because I can't move my video. Joanne is literally putting the chair right behind me. Ask and ye shall receive.
See what a good friend I am.
It is a good friend. Okay, let's see if I can get myself sitting back. Oh, that's much better. I want to just catch this stuff melting.
Oh, it's been 6 minutes.
Yeah, it's been 6 minutes. I was going to say, because we started when this was 2 minutes on, and I'm 8 minutes into recording. So the update is they're starting to melt. We've had to add some more flame. You can see this one to the left. The beads are all starting to kind of melt. And these ones over here are melting down. These ones still are a little bit slower to melt. So that's good to know. We're just trying to kind of get an idea of how fast this process is, but it's definitely been more like 12 to 15 minutes than the 5 minutes that the video that we watched was saying. And you definitely have to keep things level because you can see that back one, it's starting to slightly kind of tilt to the end and bubbling. Joe, this one's starting to bubble. They're all bubbling. Hurry. Except for the square letter beads are not melting at all. I just don't want it to burn. You better run. I have nothing to take these off with. I had an idea of what to do with the square beads, but I don't think that is going to... Oh, it's on fire! It's on fire, I don't think. I think we failed.
Well, that's the one that didn't have enough in it.
I know, but it's...
So that one's an epic fail.
That one's a fail.
Stinks.
That's why they said do it in a highly ventilated area.
Smell it up here.
I know, I want to put it on the ground and get some dirt to put on it. Actually.
Wow. That was a smart move on your part, Joe.
See?
She
All
just
those
put
years-
some dirt on.
It
All
came
those
in
years
the
of girl.
off.
Were you a Girl Scout?
No, it was a brownie. I didn't make it a Girl Scout.
Did they kick you out? Did they kick you out after Brownie?
I said we've had enough of her. The letters did stand out.
Yeah, so that answers the question when you were going to put the letters in there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'll check back with you when we see if these W's and M's end up melting. Okay, so what are you going to do, Joe? You're going to try to
I'm just going to see.
pop it?
And pop it out. Oh, shit in my face. Oh, look at the V stuck to the side of it.
Oh, so that's what it kind of looks like. This is like our tester one. and then you drill a hole in it and
String it.
and you make designs and stuff. This is supposed to be a letter. I don't know if I like the whole letter thing though. And this is the W one that I don't think it's going to do what I want it to do. But yeah, so that's our tester.
I really couldn't swirl it like I was thinking we wanted to try.
So now the real designs are going on the fire. That far one starting to melt. Looking pretty good. We added a cupcake tin of stuff. So the ones that were doing really good, the problem we're having is the foil is catching fire.
It might still be good.
Yeah. Might be able to just wipe off the smoke.
Yeah.
See, I would probably take those two off.
Not quite fully melted.
I know, but otherwise they're going to catch on fire. So here's one of the designs that I made that is cooling off right now. Joanne made that design. Two others that are going to be going in shortly to finish off my little sun catcher wind chimes. So, oh, and then this one's a SU one. So it's actually, of course, the next morning. We have to recap this craft that we started yesterday. It's still in process, and it took an extremely long time to complete. We have all of the pony bead containers. Everything has been melted. We still need to drill some holes and string them to kind of make them wind chime effect. We're going to take care of that today in today's vlog. So part 2 of finishing the craft will be done in the vlog that you're going to watch tomorrow. But the rest of the day we literally spent, yesterday the rest of the day we literally spent melting these pony beads and just kind of relaxing around camp, picking up a little bit. For dinner we made some burgers and some salt potatoes, kind of kept it really simple, finished up some leftovers that we had to cook. Yeah, so that's the exciting part. Our neighbors left, so it's been really quiet since the big group of people left. There has been a few other people pulling in, but they've been really quiet. So it's been nice to kind of have a more chilled atmosphere around our campsite. So I am going to end this vlog for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Part 2 of the craft will be done, like I said, in tomorrow's vlog. And I think we're going to do some shopping too. So we'll be heading into town and taking a look at some of the local shops and stuff they have. So you guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day. And I'm going to chat with you in my next vlog. Bye, guys.